I call this exercise, what do you like? You have to know what you like and what you don't like. Discovering these insights, defining this framework, and using it as a backdrop is the beginning of your creative process. These exercises will help you find and develop your authentic voice, your individual style. I call this exercise, what do you like? This exercise is made up of 10 questions. There is no right or wrong answer here. It's about finding what your aesthetic style is. What do you like? So here are the questions. I'm going to read each one. You will pause the video and write down and answer each question. Okay? So take your time, breathe, relax, enjoy the process. Here we go. Who is your favorite designer or designers if it's more than one? What is your favorite store? If money was no object, what's your favorite store? What is your favorite time period? Renaissance, the 40s, the 20s, the 60s? What is your favorite movie or movies? What is your favorite magazine? Who's your favorite musician or music artist or band? What is your favorite color or colors? What is your favorite silhouette, if you know what that word means? What is your favorite type of fabric? Satin, chiffon, velvet, corduroy? What is your favorite textile design? In other words, is it stripes, solid colors, polka dots, florals? Feel free to add any additional items. Okay, now take all these things that you like and imagine putting them all in one big pot and stir it all up, right? Mix it all together into one big collage, one big tapestry. This is a reflection of your current artistic style. At this moment, it might change or evolve over time, that's fine. But right now, this is a symphony of your artistic essence. All right? I'll see you in the next video.